Welcome to FSU Libraries LEDS Lockers tutorial. FSU students, faculty, and staff can request materials through the online catalog and choose to pick them up in the LEDS lockers at Strozier or Dirac. These smart lockers are outside Strozier and Dirac Science Library, so they are available 24/7. To begin, visit the library's website lib.fsu.edu. Using the main One search in the center of the home page, type in your book of interest or query. Once you've found an item that you're interested in, you will need to sign in before you can request it. You can sign in through the yellow banner at the top right corner or within the item itself. Once signed in, you can request this material for pickup. Choose Strozier LEDS lockers or Dirac LEDS lockers. After choosing your location, you are able to add any notes in the special instructions segment of the request. You can also see the terms of use, which shows how many days you will be allowed to have the material. Choose Send Request and your request is complete. Please allow staff up to 48 hours to process your requests. You will get an email when your materials are ready for pickup. Please note, for the LEDS lockers, your materials are only available for 3 days after being placed in the locker. When you go to pick up your materials at the LEDS lockers, be sure to have your FSU card with you. You will need to type in your library card number to open the locker. This is the 206 number at the bottom of your FSU ID. Type this number in slowly and carefully to ensure you don't miss a number. After entering the number, the locker containing your materials will unlock and the items will be checked out to you. Please take your materials out of the locker and close the door. You've successfully used our LEDS lockers.